So today I'm going to show you how to turn on the wire EDM. So the first thing, obviously it needs to be correctly wired. So the first thing you're going to do is turn on that breaker, which this one is already on. Next we have the power regulator, which just stabilizes the voltage coming in. So the first thing we do is flip up this switch here. And then on this side, you have these two green buttons. They have to be pushed at the same time. And that's going to put power both to the chiller and to the machine. And then we come over here. We're going to put this switch first. It's going to get the power into the cabinet. Make sure this e-stop button is pushed in before you turn the machine on. So I'm going to push this green power button. And the machine will start to boot. Okay. So the last thing we're going to do is release the e-stop. Now, as a precaution, I like to hover my hand over this wheel because sometimes when it's trying to apply tension to the wire, it can pull the wire out and spin, and then the wire will go around the wheel. In this case, the wire is threaded through right now, so that shouldn't be a problem, but I just like to be careful. So I'm going to hold my hand here and release the e-stop. That's how you turn on the wire, dude.